All right, fans, today is a new type of episode, or an old type of episode, where we just goof off. We got these turbo whistles today. We're going to put them in an old Bronco. I know you guys have probably seen like 9 gajillion videos of people doing these turbo whistles in big V8 cars, but you know, Bronco's got a really little exhaust pipe, so we figured maybe it'll work. Because like every other giant V8 car has like a coffee can exhaust, so we thought maybe these little pea shooters might make a little turbo.
Pea shooters, those turbos are tiny for that. Look at that. Let's put one in there.
I mean, it's not that small.
Fits in there.
Yeah, it fits
with
in
a
there.
lot around, but the Bronco does create a lot of volume.
I mean, have you ever seen the other cars where it's like their exhaust, like look at the Trailblazer's tips are 4 inches.
The tips.
But yes, fans, today we're gonna do this little turbo whistle stuff and see if we can make noises unlike everyone else who seem to have not. And if they don't work, we're gonna put it on the twin turbo Corolla, and then we'll hear turbo noises no matter what. All right, fans. So Grant is giving us a nice little start before. Hear how she sounds. She's idling good, bud. You're a little blip. All right, now let's put the turbos on, yeah?
Let's add our turbo kit.
Time to turbo the Bronco. Also, fans, we made the S10 way faster. So anytime we get any parts, we're just gonna put the stickers on the S10. Alrighty, fans. So we got the L1 yonder rod in there, which the little small pipe I think is gonna make it work. I think it's gonna work, Grant.
I think the pipe's still too big.
Grant here. See, Grant already knows. He did it without me. But I've never heard him.
I already know, and I already know what it sounds like on the S10.
You can't hear it past idle. They sound like 2 birds. It does. It sounds like you have a loose belt.
Yeah, it literally just sounds like I'm a bird.
Go for a quick drive around so we can hear it. That's hilarious. They like don't work.
It might be different with load.
That it sounds hilarious. It doesn't sound turbo at all. A little bit, but barely. You can just hear it at idling. It sounds so dumb. That's hilarious.
You can just hear the cam lobes.
How does it sound from inside?
All you hear is like a bird. Like it just sounds like a pipe is slipping in the rear, and then you can hear it to the cam lobe. It's like it's just hilarious.
That's so funny. All right, you want to throw them on the S10 now? Since you can't even hear it on load.
You can't?
No. Want to throw it on the S10?
Yeah, let me just...
They warm?
No, hold on.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
All right, fans, time to hear the real truck's exhaust. Because we couldn't really hear it on the Bronco, so maybe a quiet car.
So we don't hear them that much, but when you get up close. Oh my.
You can hear it at all?
Yes.
Really?
You do.
It sounds horrible. You can barely hear it. Oh, this thing sucks. Man, these turbo whistles are terrible. Look at all the stickers on the side of it. Dude, you can't hear it at all.
You can definitely hear it.
Like barely.
You also went way harder than I did.
this thing pops a crap load. It pops a lot.
So I have it in first gear. I wasn't gonna.
That's fine.
Boom.
Should we put them on the Beamer? It's got two little pipes out of the same exhaust, and it's dead quiet.
I guess we should take that one to the store then.
Yeah, let's take the Beamer to the store. Because we got to buy parts. I got to return an alternator because I had to put an alternator in this bad boy, and we have to return a distributor. So we'll take Grant's Daily, the 325, which you guys haven't even seen yet. This is just so you guys know, this is our little parts getter, Grant's Daily for now. But this thing's gonna be sold soon, but it's mint.
Back to Bronco as daily driver.
Yes, Bronco is dailied, but Bronco's been under construction, so Beamer's been daily. So fans, might not be flowed correctly because we already filmed the turbo whistles on the BMW, which you will see really quick. But we just got the Corolla started. We're filming 2 videos at once, so let's put the turbo whistles on a turboed Corolla. So let's see what happens. We got them both in there. We got them in this long too. Ooh, it's hot. But let's give this a little shot. You can't hear them. Kinda. I can't tell what's actual turbo noise and what's not. Oh yeah, I know, you can hear them.
You hear it? It makes the engine sound horrible.
Yes, it just sounds straight piped. Okay, well, that was a failure. On to the BMW. All right, let's hear it.
Any difference?
Literally nothing yet. Literally nothing at all. Take it on a little, just give it some load.
That was like 5 grand also.
It did, dude, this car's so quiet. No, they literally are making zero noise.
Maybe
Like, oh yeah, my alternator. Grant, I don't hear it at all.
I don't hear it at all.
This is terrible. Also, I like all the lights on the dash, buddy.
You know, even though Christmas is not around, I still felt like I still had to be festive.
Bro, absolutely. Dude, I can't hear. There's literally nothing.
Oh, no, I bet you that I heard the leaf blower from like.
Dude, I hear
away.
literally nothing.
Nothing.
Like they make zero
it's like
sound.
They don't work. Why does it not work?
Bro, it's the most arrogant shove. This thing makes more power than the S10.
Yeah, and it's the smallest diameter. It's actually small because there's 2 pipes. It's smaller, and we're using 2 whistles.
Yeah, how is it not working?
Well, I guess it is.
This is ridiculous.
Well, I guess it is 3 cylinders. It's
Per well, no, because it's 1 exhaust pipe. It goes into 1 muffler.
That is true.
These things suck.
Well, yeah, but they still split off. It's dividing it, so think of it as 2.5 divided by 2.
Right.
Is 1.
Well, wait. I heard him a little.
I think it was that guy, the Fiat, that actually had
A turbo.
a turbo.
Oh. Nothing. Oh, she didn't like that, did she?
I think I heard him.
I did not hear him.
I think I got to buzz by you, drop you somewhere. I got to buzz by you. So
Yeah, maybe you gotta do a buzz by real quick somewhere.
that's hilarious, honestly.
These things are terrible. All right, we just had to stop at Advanced Auto to drop some parts off, but we're just in a parking lot to see if Grant can hear it. If we can hear the little turbo whistles that are still on. Wow, literally nothing. Literally nothing. Zero sound whatsoever. That's funny. So, these turbo whistles suck. Literally zero sound.
Really?
Like none.
Hilarious. That's hilarious.
This thing is, these are terrible.
We spent so much good money at Wish.com for turbo whistles.
Oh, look at the Nova. That thing's sick.
That is sick. I don't see enough Novas. I'm actually gonna go around it. Look at
Oh, let's take a little pee poo. This thing looks
So
dope.
I love Novas. I almost bought one, and it just had too much rust on it. I just
Oh, I
love
think
how
that's
short
like-
the nose is.
It looks like he get some stuff done to that.
There's a lot of stuff. There's ladder bars in the back there. Oh, look at that
It's a
oil
69.
cooler.
Oh, that thing's got some
It's got
nasty
some.
stuff
That
going
thing's
on there.
beautiful.
Thing's lit.
It's lit. I like the top. I like the ram hood.
Yes. The cowling, you mean?
Yes, the
Oh, those wheels look nasty.
Alrighty, fans. So we found out that our turbo whistles were kind of a flop on most of our vehicles, except for the S10. I thought it was the best. John did not agree, but
They were super loud on the Bronco.
they were super loud.
Only at idle though.
Yes, only at idle. Anyway, so that is an end to this episode of Crap Box Cars, and maybe we'll have a start coming soon for you guys.
Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, get a kiss from Baby Grant in the BMW.